One of the important reasons that we need to write semantic markup in our HTML is due to assistive technology. So here I have the system preferences for my Mac open, and if I go to accessibility, you'll see that there's a number of accessibility settings. If I click on speech, I can have a system voice and speaking rate, but I can also have the computer read items that I'm either hovering over or that I select. So I'll turn both of these on.
Group.
And you can hear that the assistive technology is now turned on if I hover over.
Speak items under the pointer. Group.
So with that in mind, let's see how the assistive technology reads my website at casabona.org.
Blog. Link. Podcasting. Text. Custom videos. Text. Home. Text. Home. Link. Article.
So you notice that when I move the mouse into the article section, the assistive technology actually says the type of element I'm inside.
Banner. Joe Casabona. Text. Banner. Article.
The same thing goes for if I hover over images.
Joe Casabona. Done for you podcasts and courses. Image.
The text that was read there is actually the alt text for the image. So as I scroll,
Latest from me. Text.
I can hover over text and the assistive technology will read.
Article. Latest from me. Heading. Article. Upgrade your podcast setup with a microphone interface. Link.
And as I hover over the image that accompanies the first blog post, you'll see the alt text is showing. That's exactly what was read. And the assistive technology mentioned that this was a link, so I can click on this. So with that, let's go ahead and turn assistive technology off. And the last thing I'll mention here is that while I used the built-in software for Mac, there are lots of third-party screen readers that are a bit more robust, that allow you to have more fine-grained control over what's read and what isn't and how it's read. You can also have pages read automatically. And all of this is to say that as long as we code our website properly using the HTML elements as they're intended to use, our websites will be that much more accessible. And you'll learn more about accessibility later in the book.